Hi, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Tisha's 2-Minute Tips. I'm Tisha Dodge. I'm a lawyer and a social entrepreneur. And when we work together, we make this world a better place. Today, I want to talk about how to break through when you're in overwhelm and decision fatigue using a legal contract. All of us, especially entrepreneurs, suffer from what I call decision fatigue. We make on average 35,000 decisions per day. And we get tired of all the questions and the decisions that go along with it. I mean, questions like, what should I wear today? Am I going to be on a Zoom meeting today that I should wear business attire, or am I only on phone calls so I can get away with a t-shirt and jeans? Should I visit my parents during the holidays, which will require me to actually travel? What should I work on next with all the projects I have going on in my business? How should I respond to a client who wants to negotiate my rates? What am I going to eat for lunch? What's in the refrigerator? Can I just eat a PBJ? Do I have any bread? Do I need to go to the store to get bread so I can have a PBJ for lunch? A Cornell University study showed that we make 221 decisions on food alone in a day. Scientists call this cognitive overload, which actually increases your chances of making mistakes and can lead to feelings of overwhelm. One way you can actually reduce overwhelm and decision fatigue is by having a legal contract with standard terms and conditions. For example, how do I respond to a client that wants to negotiate my rate? Instead of asking all these questions like, do I want this client that I'm willing to negotiate my rate? Do I actually want to negotiate my rate? If I do negotiate my rate, what would that negotiated rate look like? I instead could replace all these questions and all this decision making with some good standard terms and conditions in my client contract. So instead, my client contract could say something like this. Here's my standard flat fee. Anything beyond the scope of the flat fee would be subject to a new fee. My current rate for additional matters would be X amount of dollars. Now, if the client who wanted to negotiate my fee was a long-term client, my client contract could reward client loyalty by providing them their original rate when they signed their first contract with me, subject to certain exceptions. So instead of asking all these questions and having to make all these decisions, it's all laid out in my contract. Rates are not negotiable, so we don't have to have that tension-filled conversation because the long-term client gets an automatic discount for client loyalty. The client can get notice of all of this in their original contract, so when they come back for more services, there are no surprises. You've just replaced 100 decisions with one contract term. A good contract can do so much more than just protect you from liability. It can set clear client expectations. A good contract can save you from overwhelm and decision fatigue so you can focus on decisions that are really important to your business and your life, including what are you going to eat for lunch? Want to know more? Then join us for Ready and Resilient. It's our online immersion course to get you ready for the unexpected with a good contract, and we make you resilient when challenges like overwhelm and decision fatigue come up. Click below for more information. I hope you found this thought-provoking and helpful. I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.